For me, I would describe the nature crisis as being in the 6th mass extinction, which we are right now. Scientists actually believe that humans as a species have accelerated the background rate of extinction by over 1,000 times the normal background rate. And due to this change being so great, they now believe that we're in a completely new geological epoch known as the Anthropocene. So humans, because of how we live our lives, the things that we buy, the systems that we buy into, how we use our vote, we've impacted the lives of all the other species on the planet that we share it with. And if we don't act now, they could be lost forever. So for me, that defines the nature and wildlife crisis that we're finding ourselves in right now.